always comes to mind. That's why I don't want to lose a chance or opportunity to bond with her through singing.
Professional singer. Kaya talagang hindi talaga ako nag-attempt. Nagsayaw na lang ako and let's leave the professionals to do their thing. To sing, di ba, ano?
Hindi naman marunong sumayaw. Kaya kumakanta lang ako. Siguro mga 3 years or 4 years ago, I did train. That's when I trained. Yung medyo naglalaylo ako, sabi ko, I have to relearn my singing, yung technique.
You mean to say that when you sang every day,
Every day.
when it became a hit, there was no formal training?
None. None.
Life is unfair! Ba't ganun talaga?
But it's a simple song. Hindi siya parang Regine Velasquez na maano lang siya, madamdamin na kanta. That's why I guess it resonates to other people kasi maano siya, maganda yung kanta.
Even if I sing a song with feelings, hindi ganun ang kinalabasan.
Born Maria Margarita Amanda Isidro, Agot grew up in a family of singers.
Our family kasi is very musical eh. We just like to sing. You know, yung tipong pag kunyari we're going from one place to the other, tapos we're all in a big combi or big car. Sometimes nag-harmony na, yung ganon. Parang yung Partridge family or Bontrap family na kumakanta na lang.
Growing up, Agot was not considered the most beautiful in the Isidro clan, let alone her whole school.
When I was little, pangit ako eh. Maitim ako. As in, sobrang itim. Mainaan-an pa. Yung ganon. Kasi I used to love to swim. Talagang super swimmer ako nung bata ako. Then high school, the same thing. Hindi ako nililigawan. I had to ask my classmates' brother to be my date for the ball. Di ba pathetic?
The ugly duckling eventually turned into a beautiful swan. When she turned 18, she became the cover girl of a teen magazine. But Agot never really dreamt of the limelight. She was a serious student and she was always in the honor roll in school.
I was also very active with the Glee Club, so that was a plus. It was just nung high school na medyo yun. Siguro nagde-develop na, yung gano'n, tapos medyo gumaganda na, tapos pinigilan na ang swimming, kaya pumuputi na ng slide. So, tapos I was around boys, so medyo meron na akong parang, di ba, yung parang, may boys, may cute, may crushes, yung gano'n.
After graduating with a degree in interior design at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Agot went to New York to pursue her master's degree at the prestigious New York Fashion Institute of Technology.
You wanted to become a fashion designer.
Yeah, but then actually I could have attended a fashion design course, but then
The dutiful daughter followed her daddy's advice and went back to the Philippines. When she returned, her sisters asked her to join them as backup singers for the megastar Sharon Cuneta and for the star for all seasons, Vilma Santos.
Kasi yung backup singer, kasi syempre wala yung pressure to really perform, di ba? Ano ka lang, chumachumari-wari-wap ka lang dun sa tabi. Tapos then you get to see all these mga artistas. And at that time, Ate V, syempre si Ate V yun, then Sharon. You know, it was just nice to work with them and to see them as like a normal working person.
100% sure, doctor, gynecologist, everything.
And the rest, as they say, is history. Now, in all her years in showbiz, Agot has always been very secretive about her personal life. When she married Manu Sendejas, she decided to lie low for a while. They wanted to start their own family.
I was 34 when I got married. So it's not, hindi, di ba, meron na akong, nasa tamang ulirat na ako noon. Hindi ako bata.
But life offered other options for them. After several years of trying, Agot and Manu were still childless.
I really wanted to have kids from day one. Because I wasn't getting any younger at the time, I was 34. So gusto ko talagang magkaanak na. But it wasn't happening the way we wanted. We really went the works. The works, except for IVF. Hindi na kami nag-in vitro yung test tube. Because you really love each other.
Can you verbalize the feeling while you were reading that letter? What kind of feeling did it give you?
Relief, because syempre, parang, hi! Ano ba? Di ba ito pinag-usapan eh?
No,
Hindi.
because Agot, a lot of women, as
Grounds for annulment or, di ba, dissolution of marriage when one cannot give a kid. Di ba? But then, he stuck by me. And actually,
if I was in your same situation, tapos ganun din ang gagawin sa akin ni Aga, wow, I mean,
yung para akong Miss Universe.
sige, sa'yo na. Mas bagay sa'yo.
Diba? Para akong Miss Universe. Diba? Para ako na yung pinakaswerteng tao sa mundo. With that thing, parang naging clear sa aming dalawa. Why we are drawn to each other and why we actually got married to each other.
Today, Agot continues to hone her craft, propagate her causes, and love her husband more each day. They even have their own baby.